The Yealink phone is user-friendly and features multiple buttons to access the functions of the phone. We will first go over all the physical buttons on the phone. The message button. Once you push this button, you'll be prompted for your voicemail PIN. If you have not already set up your voicemail PIN, please refer to the welcome email that you should have received to complete your setup. The conference button. This button allows you to do three-way calling. The mute button. Pushing this button will mute the microphone so the caller cannot hear you. The RD button. This button is for most recent calls. The headset button. Pushing this button will activate your headset if you have one plugged into your phone. The hold resume button. Pushing this button will put the call on hold only on your phone. In order to pick up the call, press the hold resume key again. The transfer button. This button will allow you to transfer calls to another person. The speakerphone button. Pushing this button will activate the speakerphone. Pushing this button when you have an active speakerphone call will hang up the call.